Good morning, children. Open page number 136, chapter number 7, money. Okay. As you have already learned in your earlier classes, like previous class in first grade, about money. Okay. Now we will learn in detail. Okay. Circle the notes and coins you will need to buy the following items. Okay. So the sandwich is 65 rupees. So this is 50. 50 plus 10, 60. And this is 5 rupees coin. Okay, so 50 plus 10 plus 5 equals to 65. So circle this. Okay, children. Next, this is 210 rupees teddy bear. So 100 plus 100, 200. 5 plus 5, 10. So this will be 210. Okay, this is 55. Okay, 50 plus 5, 55. Okay, next 30. 20 plus 10, 30. Okay, children. Like I'm bit fast, as you have already learned this in your previous classes. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can message me, children. Okay, now read the conversations. Here, I want to buy a chocolate ice cream. Here, the chocolate ice cream costs 50 and vanilla ice cream costs 15. So, chocolate ice cream costs 50 and vanilla ice cream costs 15. I want a vanilla ice cream, please. Okay, and I want to buy, and she is saying that she wanted a chocolate ice cream, and she is saying she wanted a vanilla ice cream. Okay, now I have one 10 rupee note and a 5 rupee coin. She is saying, I have a 20 rupees notes and one 10 rupee note. Okay. So now, to pay the money to the ice cream vendor, Fabian and Revati have used different combinations of money. Circle the notes and coins used by Fabian and Revati. Okay. So Revati is having for 50 rupees. We have 20 plus 10, 30 plus 20, 50. So circle 50, and for 15 rupees, 10 rupees plus 5 rupees, 15. Okay, so we use money to buy things. There are different notes and coins that we use as money. So there will be different notes and coins that we will be using as money. Okay, now notes and coins. In India, notes and coins are used as money. So in India, we use notes and coins as money. So however, some of the coins are not commonly used now. So now 25 NP and 50 NP are the coins which we will use less. Okay, now these are some notes: 10 rupees, 20, 50, 100, 200 and 500. So these are some different types of notes and coins: 25 pice, 50 pice, 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee, 10 rupee. Okay, so these are the different types of coins. Okay, children, now count the money and write how much it is. So 10 plus 20, and this is 10, and this is 5 rupees coin. 10 plus 20, 30. 30 plus 10, 40. 40 plus 5, 45. Okay, children. Next, 100. 100 plus 50, 150. 150 plus 10, 160 rupees. Next, 100. 100 plus 50, 150. 150 plus 5, 155. Plus 10, 165 rupees. Okay. Next, 100 rupees. 100 plus 50, 150. Plus 2 rupees, 152. Plus 5 rupees, 157. Okay, children. So all this you have to addition. You have to do addition. Okay, children, you have to do addition, and you have to write here, as you have already know, you all people already know additions, how to do. So that is the reason you have to add. Okay, you have to add all these numbers and you have to write here. Okay children, or you can also count, but addition will be more easy. Okay children, add the numbers and do. Okay, so next, exchanging money. To pay an amount, we use different combinations of notes and coins. So we use different combinations of notes and coins to pay. Okay, 2 rupees coin can also be represented as 1 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So 2 rupees coin and 1 rupee plus 1 rupee equals to 2 rupees. So 20 rupees. Same. 10 plus 10 means 20. So same. 50. We can add 5 tens or 2 20s and 1 10 or 2 20s and 2 5s. So all these are the combinations of 50 rupees. Okay children. Now write the least amount of notes and coins required to buy these things. One has been done for you. So this is 114 rupees. So 100 plus 10 110 plus 2 112 plus 2 114. Okay, now add this. Okay, 50 rupees note and 5 rupees coin. Okay, next 523. So you can write 500 rupees note, 20 rupees note, 2 rupees, 1 rupee. So it will be 523. Next 160. 100 rupees note, 50 rupees note, 10 rupees note. So it will be 160. Okay children. Now circle the amount of money from the things we need to buy. So 15 rupees. Okay, so 15 means 10 plus 5. Circle. Next 35. 10 plus 20 plus 10 30. Okay, 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5. So circle like this, 35. Next this is 95. Okay, so 50 plus 10 60 plus 10 70 plus 10 80 plus 10 90 plus 5 95. So circle like this. Okay, so this is 256. Okay, now 200 plus 50. 250. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 2 6. So it will be 256. Okay, circle this. Okay children. Okay, next, here what you have to do, place 1 10 rupees coin. Okay, 1 5 rupees coin and 1 2 rupees coin. Okay, place it below and trace it. Okay children. So next, given below is the amount that Manjit gets as pocket money. 10 rupees 50. So 60. 60 plus 100 160 and 50 NP. So Manjit get 60 rupees and 50 NP as his pocket money. So we can write 160.50. So here you have to write rupees amount, here pies. Okay. So this dot separates the rupees and pies. The dot separates the rupees and the pies. Okay children. So here 160.50 is read as 160 rupees 50 pies. Okay. Similar, 98.70 means 98 rupees 70 pies. So we can also write money in figures. See here children, 76 rupees and 60 pies, 115 57 rupees and 55 pies. Okay, so now we will write few. 64 rupees dot 19 pies. Okay. Next 197. So rupees 197.50 pies. 50. 123 rupees. So 123 rupees point 82 pies. 82 pies. 10 rupees 20 pies. So 10 rupees 20 pies. Okay children. Now we have to write money in words. 1 HUNDRED 100. 100 SEVENTY 76. RUPEES rupees. TWENTY 20. 5 PAISC. Okay. ONE 1 HUNDRED 100 SEVENTY 70 SIX 6 RUPEES 176 rupees 25 pies. TWENTY 20 FIVE 5 PAISC 176 rupees 20 pies. ONE 1 HUNDRED 100 SEVENTY 70 SIX 6 RUPEES rupees TWENTY 20 FIVE 5 PAISC. Okay, 176 rupees 25 pies. Next 145.37. So 100 ONE 1 HUNDRED 100 FORTY FIVE 45 RUPEES rupees THIRTY 30 SEVEN 7 PAISC. Okay, 100 ONE 1 HUNDRED 100 FORTY 40 FIVE 5 RUPEES rupees THIRTY 30 SEVEN 7 PAISC pies. Okay. Next 15.50 FIFTEEN 15 rupees 50 pies. FIFTEEN 15 RUPEES rupees FIFTEEN 15 RUPEES rupees 15 rupees FIFTY 50 PAISC pies. FIFTY 50 PAISC pies. 15 rupees 50 pies. Next 98.55. So NETY 90 EIGHT 98 RUPEES rupees FIFTY 50 FIVE 5 PAISC. Okay, 98.55 pies. NETY 90 EIGHT 8 EIGHT 8 RUPEES 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 FIFTY 50 FIFTY 50 FIVE 5 FIVE 5 PAISC pies. PAISC pies. Okay children. Next, which three coins make 4 rupees? So 2 rupees, 1 rupee, 1 rupee will make 4 rupees. How many 50 NP coins will make 2 rupees? Okay. So 1, 2, 1 rupee. Okay. 1 rupee 50 pies. 2 rupees. 2 rupees 50 pies. So 5 coins. Okay. How many 50 notes will make 200? 50. 50 plus 50, 100. Plus 50, 150. Plus 50, 200. So 4 notes. How much 220 notes? 220 notes and 2 and 5 coin. 3, 4, 5. So 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. So 20 plus 20 plus 25 means 20 plus 20, 40. 40 plus 25, 65. So 65 rupees. Okay. Next, adding money. Revati bought Alice in Wonderland for 45 and Little Red Riding for 34. How much does Revati need to pay to the shopkeeper? So Alice in Wonderland is 45. Little Red Riding Hood is 34. So 5 plus 4. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9. 4 plus 3. 5, 6, 7. So 79. Therefore, Revati has to pay 79 rupees to the shopkeeper. Okay, children. Now here are few. Rahul wants to buy the following items. So find out the total amount required to buy. Okay. So here 50 plus 20, 70. This is 150 and this is 15. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 1. 165. Next 60, 30. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 3, 7, 8, 9. 90 rupees. Next 25 and 35. 5 plus 5, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 60 rupees. Now, subtracting money. Azhar is fond of cartoon stickers. He bought a cartoon sticker chart for 72 rupees and he gave 82 rupees to the shopkeeper. So, how much money he should get back for it? The shopkeeper should return. Okay. So, amount given is 82 rupees and cost of sticker chart is 72 rupees. So, 2 minus 2, 0. 8 minus 7, 1. Okay. From 8 fingers cut 7 fingers. Okay, children. So 1. So 10 rupees. Therefore the shopkeeper should return 10 rupees to Azhar. Okay. So next here Manjit purchased the following items from different shops. Okay. Help him to get the right amount back. Okay. So first one is done for us. Here 50 plus 10 means 60. So it is the item is 52. So here 10. This is 5. So 10 minus 2, 8. 0. Okay. So next write down 100. This is 43 rupees. Okay. So borrow here. This will be 10 and this will be 9. So 10 minus 3, 7. Okay. 9 minus 4. This will be 0. Okay, children. 9 minus 4, 5. Okay. So, he should get back 57 rupees. Next, this is 500 rupees. We have to pay 474. Okay. So, 10 rupees. Write this as 8 and this as 4. So, 10 minus 4, 6. 8 minus 1, 8 minus 7, 1. So 16 rupees we should get back. Next 200 plus 100, 300. And what is the amount of the bag? 291. Okay, 10, 8, 2 here, 18. Okay. So 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 9, 1 second, sorry children. 300. Okay. 291. So here 10 and this will be 9 and this will be 2. Sorry children, sorry for the inconvenience. 10 minus 1, 9 and 0 0. So we have to get 9 rupees back. Okay children, sorry for the mistake. Next, so these pairs of items cost the same. Which of these would choose to be healthy? Okay, so we have to draw. Okay, so watermelon and what is this? Water bottle. Sorry, this is coconut water and this is water bottle. Okay, so both are healthy. Okay, so keep a smiley. Okay, next, banana and cake. So both so here banana is so here banana is healthy. Okay, and here this is pizza and this is sandwich, so both are unhealthy. Here grapes, so grapes here it is healthy. Okay, you must spend wisely. You should spend money on the things which are useful. Unhealthy food can make us sick. Okay, so you must eat healthy food and we have to stay fit. Okay, so next, so this will be unhealthy and this will be unhealthy and this will be unhealthy. Only these two, this is healthy and this is healthy. Water. Okay, next, so money note and coins. So we learned reading and writing money, adding money and subtracting money.